US stock markets closed almost flat with the Dow Jones giving away 7 points, the S&P and the Nasdaq barely remaining into the green zone. The biggest mover here is the oil retracing, losing 1.31%, majorly because of the OPEC, which was less confident into the outlook they gave for the oil sector recovery for the 2021 year. Most of the oil and gas stocks were really down today, such as Halliburton, Marathon Oil, they were down at least 3%, and even more for some of the small and mid cap of the sector. Now, on the crypto side, cryptocurrencies continue to be bullish, continue to be on the bullish trend here following Bank New York Mellon, the oldest American bank, announced recently this morning that they will be able to be a custodian for cryptocurrencies, especially Bitcoin. So this was one of the biggest market mover for the crypto world this morning, and we can potentially continue to see it as we move on the trading session tomorrow. Another sector who experienced major losses today, 30% in average, was the pot stocks. So the cannabis sector with the Canadian and the US producers, as well as the small companies involved in that sector as well. So they were expecting the Biden administration, or they are still expecting Biden administration to legalize the use of marijuana. But I think this sell-off was majorly profit-taking, following the huge uptrend driven and fueled by the whole Reddit, Wall Street Bets, social media investors. This morning we got the initial jobless claims numbers. So they continue to fall. We had an actual almost 800 claims in total, and the market was expecting 757,000 of those. So this potentially may be a driver in the discussions around the Biden plan and the stimulus check to be sent to the U.S. households. We'll see how the discussions continue tomorrow, but this doesn't seems like a good recovery, especially for the labor market in the US. So as we move into the last session of the week, potentially, it won't be a bad idea if you want to have some potential swing trading idea or quick money to be made into the stocks that were heavily beaten on the pot stocks today and the oil and gas sectors. So just a quick idea.